It's a bit windy. We're going to the garden plot, which has been hugely neglected. I'm sorry to say. I have really neglected this channel, and I really am sorry for that. With the new job, I haven't got into the habits. Well, it was exhausting for the first month, for starters, but I thought I'd come and bring in, take it down and have a look at the state of it, because it does need quite, well, I mean, there's been some progress, and amazingly enough, my courgettes are still alive, and my pond looks good. So yeah, have a look. Yeah, and I am sorry I have neglected this, I really am. But I think this Sunday today, if I can get myself into the habit once a week, coming down on a Sunday and sort of doing bits and pieces, and then editing and it's out on a Wednesday, say, kind of get into that new habit. Yeah, you know, that would be good, because I do love it. I just, yeah, well, when you've got too much on, sometimes something has to give, doesn't it? But it's not something that I want to give up, if that makes sense. Although I probably will, I have said this before, but I'm going to cancel Patreon and refund anyone who's paid for this month, because, you know, it's better that way. A lot of you are already Patreons on the cooking one, and I've been really going great guns at that. I've got a really good routine going. I cook at the weekends, and then I edit through the week. So anyway, let's have a look. It's very blustery. Yeah, lots always needs doing, doesn't it? But I have exposed the plastic on this bed, which is good. Can you see the plastic? I think you can. Where is it? Oh no, there. Yeah, you can see the plastic there. That just needs cutting and pulling out. I did cover my courgettes, because we had quite a cold spell not that long ago, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to cover them with some horticultural fleece that I actually had. I didn't have to buy it, I already had it. Let's just take the cover off. Oh. And I mean, look, courgettes are growing. Remember, I put these in late as well, didn't I? Come and have a look. I mean, and I've got 4 in the fridge. So I'll use this as a weight. Hold up, let me just, it's very windy. And then that one there. Oh, and I've got sage underneath, and it needs weeding. Oh, I'll just use that to weigh that down, because it's really windy. Just weigh that down. Obviously my lettuce are all bolted. I need to kind of weigh this down again. I don't know, what have I got? Gosh, it really is windy. Right, let's go. I'm going to get a brick or 2. Whoa, windy. Not sure what the farmer's growing in the field. It was wheat or hay bale, because there were hay bales. It's something though. Lots of strimming he's doing on the next dry day. My pond's looking good. There is, obviously I've got to sort of tidy around it, but I'd like to grow, you know, like let it go a bit wild around the edges. There is the rubber ladders there, plus there's the stones exit near the frog house. That just needs to get a bit more overgrown. But I am happy with the pond. Oh, it's windy, jeez. It's Storm Ashley, I think. So yeah, it's building up to be quite windy. I've been watching Dan and Mazzy travel trolls. They're actually in our favourite area. They were in Clashmore campsite, and then they've moved to Scoury, that's it. I think this is Scoury campsite. We once stopped there, not at the campsite but at the shop that's there. There's a post office there, so it's really interesting to watch anyway, especially when you know the area. I love that. So yeah, right, well, I'm going to go back indoors, but this is a brief hello. Hope you're all well. I know a lot of you watch me on the cooking channel, and I feel bad for neglecting the channel, I really do. But I've kind of got a new, now that I'm kind of used to my new role at work. I'm not so tired, as it were. We're kind of recovered, and half term's around the corner, yay! So I can feel it'd be good. A lot needs trimming back, and we actually have got a hedge trimmer now, which is great. We actually have a holly bush, which is really good for Christmas, for a wreath, etc. That all needs cutting back a lot, and as does the clematis here and whatnot, and the honeysuckle, etc. And sort of maintenance over the winter, really. See how long my courgette lasts with the cover. That's pretty good. I'm quite pleased with them, considering that I put them in late. It isn't cold though right now. It's just kind of quite nice weather. It sort of makes you feel awake, alive, you know. I do like this weather, as long as I've got the right gear on. Right. And also the raspberries. I mean, I need to get rid of that mound of earth that's from the pond. Cut back the raspberries. I don't really know what to do with the raspberries. Any suggestions? There's also this is a currant bush, so it looks very old and it hasn't been cut back for years, so I'm not sure what to do with that. I mean, it definitely needs cutting back because that's accessing the septic tank area, so it's quite really in the way. Yeah, right, I'm going in. I say massive thank you for watching. And well, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.